In this video, I would like to show you some of the tricks which I think you should know in case you are using Messenger WhatsApp. So first trick is the trick which helps you to be able to hide Bluetooth in Messenger WhatsApp. So what you are required to do in order to conduct that trick, just click the three dotted icon in the upper right hand side of your WhatsApp. Then get into your WhatsApp settings. Then you need to come to where we have the option privacy. Then scroll to where we have read receipt. So in Messenger WhatsApp, we usually turn off read receipt in order to hide blue ticks, rather than when we are using these WhatsApp modes, which were having an option to allow you to hide blue ticks without using read receipt. So also in this interface, we also have another alluring option named as disappearing messages, or what some people normally call default message timer. So this option usually helps you to be able to delete messages after a certain duration of time. The message which you have sent to individual will be deleted, or the message which you have sent to individual will be deleted after a certain period of time, maybe after 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. That individual will not, or those messages you have chat with individual, they will now elapse and will not be here, and they will disappear automatically. So you can either choose 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. When you select those hours and set those messages to be deleted after 24 hours, if you want to stop that option, or you want to stop read receipt, not read receipt, the disappearing messages, what you can do is just turn off the option, and disappearing message option will be turned off. So another alluring option here is an option which helps you to restrict who can visualize your profile picture. You can set your profile picture to be seen by either your contact, or you can set your profile picture to be seen by nobody, but I don't see the reason of putting nobody if you have already set up a profile picture. It does not make sense, but you can just restrict it to be seen by your contact. You can also restrict it just to be seen by one person. To do that, you need to exclude all your contact and then make that contact remain to be able to see your, let me show you. You can mark all the contact, then demark only the contact which you want to see your profile pic. But in my case, I just demark all. Everybody can be able to see my profile picture. You can also do the same restriction to people who can be able to visualize your status. You can just use your contact to be able to visualize your status, which is normally the true, only your contact can be able to visualize your status. You can also exempt a contact from visualizing your status if you want to hide your status from that person. You can also set a specific status to be shown to only share with that specific person. But in my case, I just use my contacts. But in case you have other hidden agenda, you can just choose that one. We also have another alluring option named as last seen and online option. So this one helps you to be able to restrict who can see your last seen and when you are online. So I basically choose my contact, but you can also carry out and also who can see when my last seen and online, or online. You can just choose same as last seen, or just choose everybody can be able to see online toast when you are online. But in my case, I have restricted my contact. You can also set to nobody, so nobody will be able to visualize your last seen, and you'll be good to go. So those are some of the privacy alluring privacy features in Messenger WhatsApp. You also have another alluring option here, which also allows you to be able to exclude the people who can be able to add you in WhatsApp groups. So in order to restrict people from adding you to WhatsApp group, you can either choose only person who you have saved can be able to add you into WhatsApp group rather than everybody, so that you don't get added into some parochial groups. You can also restrict a person, my contact exam, you who cannot be able to add you to WhatsApp groups, so that you are not added into parochial WhatsApp groups. So those are some of the privacy features which I think they are so good and so aware in Messenger WhatsApp, which I think they look pretty good and advance your privacy features. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up so that you not miss out any of our future alluring content like this. Thank you and bon appetit.